Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video we will be taking a look at what are modules. In my previous video I said you that I will make a video on what are modules. I'm taking a look at Python modules, so this is the video for you. And in today's video we will be taking a look at Python modules. What are Python modules? So let's take an example. I open my IDLE, open up my IDLE. You can usually open that. Okay, and when I open my IDLE, I created a new file. Now let's say I create a new file. I saved it up. All I do was just name it as .py. Okay. Anything. I saved it up here. So guys, now if I will write anything here like print sorry, if I will write anything here, it is a code. You know that it's a code. I can run this anyway, like I can run this and anything. I can run this up. Okay, and yeah, I did a mistake. I did a mistake right now. Okay, now I run it. Yes, it is saved. And now if I will say anything and I will run it, I will get this result as sorry, because print function works as printing something which is in its parentheses and have two colons. I will talk it about a little later. Okay, and now what I am trying to show here to you all is that here you can see I have here you can also see the Google thing is that a Python module is our simple files. Our simple files which use the extension of .py. So what I can also create a new file. Let me save this in a folder. If I'll create a folder, I can say Ctrl+Shift+N. It creates a new folder. I can name it as video folder. And I will also make a video on Windows 10, all of the Windows 10 features, not features, Windows Windows 10 shortcut keys. I'm going to now save it as on desktop video folder. Go in it, save. And now if I create a new folder in it, I'll go in my IDLE first. The IDLE opens. I will create again a new file. I will save it up as in my desktop at this place in videos folder as anything that works. And you can name it anything but leaving ABC or something like that. Okay, now if I will type here anything, like if I will say import name.py, if I will save it up and if I will run it, okay, so that's I have not used OS path, something like OS is used to make it import. I am not going to do that stuff right now, so the video goes wrong. I want to show you here that, see what it says is that let me run it again. Shift F5. Okay, yes, get it up. So I got it there. Okay, I got it again because the thing is that I have this I imported it, what the meaning of import or like what is the meaning of module is, someone is has already wrote the code and in the same folder, it is in the same folder or like on web, and you are using pip function like let me open my CMD, and if I'll say pip, so I already told you in that video that pip means package installer for Python. Okay, so here that's what this does. It's package installer for Python, and what we can see here, that it is package installer for Python. We can install pygame from here. I also took an example in my previous video that we can also install pygame, any module that is up there, like that is up there in on the internet. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. And modules, you might be not clear till now also. If you are not cleared, modules are the things which are like uploaded or somewhere. If it is on web, if it is on somewhere else, we can use it pip and install it. If it is on like in our system only, we can just import it by saying import like turtle. We can also say that. If I'll save and if I'll run it, this will not give me an issue that this is not there. Like, yeah, see, this is the same error. This is not showing any error. Turtle is not found. Let's say I can import now. Let me import panda for a second. Save it up and let's import it. Okay, so here I get that. Wait, I got here pip install panda. Panda is a module that I have not installed yet in my system, and it is showing an error. No module named panda is on your system. So pip, what pip does is it installs something which is on web or something there, but it is not on your system. It installs on your system. But the things, the import function, what does is imports that if it is on your system. So that's what all the things does. And modules just means to write something. If we are using pygame module itself, we are just typing import and pygame. We are just saying that. I can also see here import pygame. Why I am saying this, I can say this because I have installed it and I am going to run it. And now here what I can do here is that it runs and it doesn't gives me any error here. So what it actually does is that if pygame is written by someone, we are just saying it in one line, import pygame, but the name pygame is just wrote, but the name itself has big in that name, in that file the written is a lot of code which we can't even like write it. Our hand would be tired about writing it. A whole module that is verified by Python is not a module like name.py or something like that. These are big modules, and the modules that we use right now are these modules. And we can also use our modules that we have written. Like we have written like name.py. I want it on it import to in another file, so I can use it. I don't want to write the same code in that file, so we can use import to import it. So that's what all what it is in like in modules. So yeah, you can also go and search for it in like modules in Python and you will get this answer, but the most clarified thing is in a video. So if you have enjoyed this video anywhere and if you get some knowledge, then like, and again this video is for just educational purposes. And yeah, so if you have enjoyed this video anywhere, please and have got some knowledge, please like this video. And if you are searching for answer for like these questions, like what are modules, can you explain me, like right, and something like that, you can also get me and comment me. I will reply you instantly as I am free. And yep, that's it for this video. Like, share, and if your friends are type of technical and they like asking questions, and if they have asked this question, you can share this video to them. So yeah, you can ask another question in my in description, sorry, not in comments. And the next video will be on how to create a game, part 1 in Pygame. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe if you are in those technical things. Okay, so bye bye.